As a company administrator for a company dashboard, you will have a special account that's different to those of your students or employees. You will see the training dashboard, which is where you can do your own personal training, and you will also see a company administrator dashboard, otherwise known as the admin dashboard. In the admin dashboard, you will be able to manage your students, and you will be able to purchase courses for them and allocate training to them. What happens is you can go to your admin dashboard and you can see where it says buy training units. If you wish to purchase less than 5 training units, you're best to give the office a call and we can process them manually for you. The system automatically will default for 5 or more in order to get you your discounted price. If you want to say purchase 5 appointed persons courses, then you simply go to the buy training units section of your dashboard and then click where it says appointed persons, select 5, and it will put these in your shopping cart at whatever the agreed price is that you've arranged. If you go back to your admin dashboard, you will see you have the opportunity there to monitor the students' progress. Any students you have will be listed in the full roster, and you can see there you've just got your company administrator login details initially. If you was to click on that person's name, it's going to tell you how far through their online training they are and whether they've started any courses out of the range that's available to them. If you need them to do the training, say you've purchased the appointed persons course and you want to remind this person to do their training, you can click the send training reminder email. This will default to whichever email provider you've got set up in your internet settings. So if you click on that, it will guide you how to set up your internet settings for whichever email you use, whether you use Outlook or whether you use Gmail. Accordingly, it will tell you how to if you click on that box there. It will then say compose email and it will send that person a new welcome email and remind them to do their mandatory training, and you can put in whatever other information you want into that email. To set up a new employee, simply click add new employee, and this will allow you to create a new account on the system for that person to do their training. If you've got different courses available on your dashboard for different students to do, and you only want certain people to see certain courses, then if you go down to the section that says new employee group, you can select which students see which courses. So you may for this one put a group, say appointed persons, or you can put a selection of courses. So you might want appointed persons and AED. If you choose add employees to this group by default, it will move all of your current employees to that particular group. Okay, so for this one we're going to do appointed persons, and they're going to do it 100% online. You then create the group. To ensure that the students only see that one course, you then need to put the students into a group. So if we go back to employees, go to our full roster, click the pencil next to the name of the student that we want to change the group of, and you will see further down this page it says which group should the employee be in. In this case it's automatically put them into appointed persons because we selected that as default. You then update the employee, and when that person logs on, the only course they will be able to see will be the option to start the appointed persons, like so.